Happy February to everyone, and today what we're going to do is we're going to do like a type of skit, but it's actually like an educational skit to show you what has happened with Sears. So yeah, I'm just making it as fun as possible while also making it
pretty funny at the same time.
So hope you guys enjoy, and as you guys can see, I'm in a different environment. And I'm not gonna tell you until like the end of the video when I have enough time. So anyways, yeah, with that, let's get on to the video. Oh man, the amount of money I earned! Sears, can you explain to me why are you reopening stores on a very much crisis? Whoa, boss, we just closed down a whole bunch of stores. It is great because we're finally earning some money now. Okay, so you got out of bankruptcy. Okay. We understand that. But first, why did you reopen stores without even changing anything? I've saw your stores and they're not even, there's the same thing you did 20 to 10 years ago. You didn't change anything. What are you talking about? We have changed plenty of things of our store. Oh yeah, okay, you changed something. Okay, let's hear the list, the fantastic list that I know you didn't change anything of. Basically, tell me, what you changed that is so great, right? We changed, we changed, we rearranged things. That's what we did. We rearranged stuff. Oh, so you rearranged stuff. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna be mad about it. Okay, fine. I'm gonna let you slide on that one. But okay, what else did you change? Like, instead of like, just a few layouts, like if you can't do that with the list of things, I got a whole bunch of, I have a whole list of things. A whole list of things that I've changed in the store. Did you change your products? Did you change, your technology? Maybe you actually made your layout a lot better. I don't know. Fine, you got me on that. So you did none of that, okay. Look, I mean, like, tell me, what things did you change that is actually worth the time of going to the store? Finally gonna... Because if you didn't change not even a single, not even a candy, then why the heck would I want to go there? Okay, look here. You're supposed to be one of the biggest brands that there ever was in the 1980s. Chill out! And you didn't even know anything of what you're doing anymore. Because maybe you probably got advice from the last CEO, which was the only thing he had in mind was to buy a whole bunch of brands just so they can both Kmart and you can go down and demise in the graves of the ground. I never got advice from that CEO. Okay, I'm done talking to you now. Okay, wait, what? What am I supposed to wait for? You talking more crap? Why? Okay, I've tried to be reasonable with you. I tried making the best of the best, like, reasons that you can probably fix your store. How about this? I give you my list of craps that you should fix. Okay, hold on. Fine. Try to renovate. Okay, how about this? How about if we fix the layout a little bit, make it look fresh, make it look like you've never ever been in that store before, and make it look modern. How about you modify the technology that you have there? Maybe because you didn't change that ever since the 2007s. You didn't change crap. All you changed was that piece of notebook paper that you put in the freaking entrance of the store, saying, "Oh, would you look at that? It's a new grand opening." What grand opening? It's not even new. You just put a piece of paper right there, say grand opening. That's all you did. Okay, fine. We'll try to renovate. So you're begging me to believe that you changed. Okay, look, we've been trying. How about you change and rip that paper that you put on the entrance of every store that you've ever had and start putting some effort? Because I think the effort that you have is nothing but the most crappiest grand reopening I've ever seen in my life. Because all you did is make your company and brand look sadder than the whole entire universe that we are living in. Anything you gotta say for yourself? Are you gonna change yourself? Of course not, because you suck. If I come back and I see some more crap from your company, I will personally myself put a foreclosure into your brand. Don't play now. Tired of you. Now he leaves. Now he leaves. No way. Okay, I'm leaving too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And also, by the way, the environment that I'm in is the basement. How funny. I've never recorded in the basement. Maybe because I wasn't so free. But anyways, the verse of the day from Proverbs 3.5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. And number 6 is, in all your ways submit to him and he will make your paths straight. So anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Remember, God loves you all, and goodbye.